Why is ground wave transmission of signals restricted to a frequency of 1500 kilohertz? Nangali. Conceptual question number ni discuss topic. Ground wave transmission से propagation है restricted to frequency of 1500 kilohertz. Maximum frequency से वो यार stay है ना 24 डी तो सिज ना दे मरम करी नो है बनी ground wave से करी नो वो electromagnetic wave ni radio wave ni propagating near the ground of the earth. High electromagnetic wave theory oscillating electric field as well as oscillating magnetic field karamba mutually perpendicular wave ani yawi electromagnetic wave to we discuss talk electric field yawi magnetic field yawi art ki magnetic property lay electrical property lay electrical conductivity lay electrical conductivity means permittivity and permeability magnetic property sina electrical property hariba property si lay sina maram oraga art ki manak surface ki manak haribu waves sina pass torokanda energy of the wave si mang ground absorb towi loss of energy si akoina scientific term the attenuation harakang so attenuation is the loss of energy. High loss of energy see frequency charo hill. The energy mang the long distance set pangamde frequency apikpagi case tana loss of energy is pe aduna apikpa frequency is up to 1500 kilohertz power frequency are the absorption chaw energy loss chaw ko adu maram dugin answered as ground wave passes over the surface of the earth its energy is absorbed by the earth due to permittivity and permeability of the earth. The loss of energy of the wave increases with increase in frequency of the wave. Hence, ground wave propagation can be sustained only up to a frequency of 1500 kilohertz. Chima. Next question. Explain why the transmission of signals using sky waves restricted to frequencies up to 30 megahertz. 30 megahertz fawda sidai henbe yadde adu kari maram gino haibani adu sky wave propagation dadi kari lai wave si ionosphere na reflector kadabani sigi reflector wave ionosphere dagi la wave si reflector kadab kari frequency si above 30 megahertz waragadi reflector te power ga set ki si ko aduna koina kari wording sijna gebu if the frequency is above 300 megahertz ionosphere is transparent to the wave to the transparent ON room state adum check ko aduna space wave to transparent ionosphere adum power ga set ki aduna sky wave propagation the reflection from ionosphere si ogedabanina maximum 30 megahertz power si reflect hobagami adu henbagam ko dugin answered this is because ionosphere cannot reflect electromagnetic waves having frequencies more than 30 megahertz. Adu TV signal si frequency am chawi above 40 megahertz ni. Skywave ki method si nabiya. Satellite method si nabiya. Natraga space wave communication si nabiya. Space wave ta ani lere troposphere da pass to hunbama natraga satellite si nabama. Silisi. Adu 40 megahertz ki mathak ta disi je power sumchakrani. 8 euro. Adun TV signal si frequency am high oil. Adun ionosphere na reflect tobangam di. Aduna skywave method di ionosphere na reflect togadabani. Adun TV signal si skywave transmission ki method si nabiyati. Ko. Siju parikha hangaliko. Explain why transmission of TV signals via skywaves is not possible. Capital letter D है. Because TV signals cannot be reflected by ionosphere due to very high frequency. One makta hangal liko. Sisi. To model amupi ya. Carrier wave ki definition dengarang pi kitri. Ko explain to bodo dia ogre. High frequency level wave ni karamba low frequency level du pura ka sakina modulation ki case to. Ko adu long distance transmission da di koi kari lege bu short wave si nahi wavelength apik pa frequency de chobo ko adu kona lakya modulation ki para laka adu dakya duma question number to gi ingisi distinguish between analog communication, analog and digital communications. Adu analog circuit ki matang juyau kra ngarang analog signal digital signal consider dokra adu analog communication da di koina sijina duisi analog signal sijina duini digital communication dana digital signal sijina duini adu analog signal di kari legebu there is continuous variation of the output signal means voltage ko output voltage si atum change thoroughly with respect to input signal ko digital signal dana digital circuit si natara means logic gate si natara aduna only maximum value ga minimum value ga adu khaktang ulaga adum chakataba signal ko adu analog ki case study continuous variation laibinina signal gi mapangan si continuous variation strength amuk chawba amuk pikpa amuk chawba amuk pikpa marak ki value sing laibini digital ki case study maximum to minimum maximum minimum soil sum change or chakadaba te marak ki intermediate value sing to to uttaba ko adu digital na hena suitable hoy communication de man better hoy third analog communication makes use of analog signal and analog circuit. The signal varies continuously in accordance with the input signal. Sina analog key. Digital circuit, digital signal signagani. Digital communication makes use of digital circuit. Digital circuit is the logic gate to Nico. And it can be handled with digital signals only. So, the analog to digital don't PI, digital to analog don't PI. So, hojikti signal si makal gi invention lai uses digital signal si suppose samna wireless Wi-Fi ko wireless fidelity have been Wi-Fi si aduna karigum bai gi suppose yung gi computer printer haro mobile dagi adum command pi raga print of BI connect to video ko hojikti printer dasu signal gi receiver yawbala computer printer dasu router ko router gumba router ena ado hapakanda next derivation lakshi amutang hai ki hai explain why space wave communication is also known as line of sight LOS communication. line of sight mid uba hybrid chamani the husisi karinabu transmitter malagini communication gi hybrid communication sidagi transmitter sidagi signal si transmitter kaduni pithura kaduni hybrid pithura signal si it directly comes to the receiving antenna. Receiving antenna directly like aduna maram oraga sibo koina line of sight kawi transmitter duga receiver antenna duga anigi marak leba distance of line of sight LOS ko signal transmitter dagi space wave pithore iba transmitter dagi thola iba wave si receiving antenna directly lak atai the site setup magi nearest receiving antenna directly lakani aduna maram oraga sibo koina line of sight communication haraga sukhani ko it is so called is line of sight communication because the signal transmitted from the transmitting antenna directly received by the receiving antenna. Receiving antenna. The TV signal की case था TV tower की awang मसी पुथोक्सी परिखादा यम तुइन हंबो question हुआ question होई ना है क्या a TV tower has a height is to derive the expression for maximum distance when a radio horizon has to come maximum distance up to which the signal can be received from the antenna. Diagram में क्या आर्की सरफेस टू ये मच्छर अमलोक्सी टेंशन में न टच तो गुड चिलांची Radius of the arc C R. Center से होने लोग सी. Antenna से A. A पर signal से arc की surface अमो फाउलान. It will be touching the last point. को अदोगी last point सी C D लोग सी. C point in B. B C D C surface level point. B देगी A बक्सी antenna की अवांग बनी. सी अवांग वो पुछो आ रहा है नत्रगा E D value means maximum distance up to his it can be received. Ko ado koina radio horizon koi ado ground day or gadi ground absorb to bin sis transmitter dagina live signal sina magi arthi surface level point amma bawlani maximum distance level point amma baw adu bawgi distance to radio horizon koi these putu ai bani question the lesi height oina putu har asya ya ko ado hosida A dagi lakpo signal C it is along AD D ram the laktuini amani A dagi C ram the laktuini touching a point on the surface of the earth tangentially ADC point D the tangent oiduni tangent radius ka di perpendicular oi geometry ODC radius of the earth ni OCC radius of the earth ni the OCC AC the perpendicular itar hai और ODZ AD the perpendicular itar hai the Pythagoras law apply to CC then she books R let capital R equal to radius of the arc is equal to height of the antenna D equal to maximum distance up to which the signal can be received or new horizon. This live signal antenna it is tangential at a point on the surface of the earth. The signal reaching the earth is tangential at a point on the surface of the earth. On the surface of the earth, that is that is C or D. The triangle, right triangle dagi from right triangle ACO by Pythagoras law, OA square equal to OC square plus CA square. O then A vaxi R plus S all square, OC to R square, CA D square. Left side C A plus B whole square expand to C R square plus 2RS plus IC square equal to R square plus D square. The anis dagi R square si cancel to be both side to the Hazikaya Pange D square equal to 2RS plus IC square. The ice ki value is the PE compared to Rokanda Kanaga radius ka, but R is very much greater than H. Koi see the mobile tower sing koi Yungu Ura do antenna awang money or Porampater TV awang antenna awang bomlay and the min upangi. The radius of the RC equator to the 6,400 kilometer compared to the R Niam Hengre. The R ice canning product na ice square the yam chow hengini. So compared to the R ice siga ice square ke ice into ice. See anisima chamane factor anisima manati. Right side is ice square nico. The R Niam chow hen bagi R ice ki product yam henta de amu 2 namu multiply to be. Aduna R sina ice tagi yam chow hen bagi ice square si neglect to be. Therefore, H square can be neglected. Then D square equal to 2RS. Therefore, D equal to root over of 2RS. Or H equal to D square by 2R. D put H put CC new horizon give value. Antenna dugi light but signal do not set about maximum distance. The height of the antenna is square root to directly proportional. The antenna does wangi makai signal do not set about maximum distance. Amuhin chocolate. Aduna antenna do ching awang with a yung buyawi, yung mataka yung sindu, Rawang Britamini. The new horizon zi another depend on the square root of height of the antenna. D proportional root over S. Simakangta. Adu the Masai space web communication ki case the transmitting antenna dagina receiving antenna givo. So one way distance between an issue point way. See conception maru maximum distance. Maximum distance between transmitting antenna and receiving antenna. Suppose I know friend Amada Karigumba object ama people palming color. I could sit in Torani. I want to people about maximum distance that you could get sang do it. I friend duga aiga acquainting a mark to labor maximum distance. I the piriba objects Mount Pangada Kiao get a gay. अदु माई मखुसु तिंथोरक्तारे अदु आई खुसु तिंथोरेन खलो अनि दुगी उनभम दुदा ऑब्जेक्ट टू पीबे यादुनी मौंड अदुदी आइगा मागा मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस ओबे यारिसी आई खुरकिया सांग बने मागी खुरकिया सांग बने अनि दु प्लस तोक्तारे अदु चमानब वेद रिसीविंग एंटीना ना रिसीव तोबंगंबा सिग्नल सी मंगोंदगी कदाय फाव लाप मफम दला आगे रिसीव तोबंगंगदगे इमानबदुने खलोमा रिसीवर की एंटीना की दुने इमानबदुने खलो माजु मखु तिंथोरक्तुनी अदुदी माना रिसीव तोबंगंबा सिग्नल सी मंगोंदगी के याम लाप फाव लागदी रिसीव तोंगमी हारिबा अरा अदुगी पॉइंट दु यरोक्त्रगदी रिसीव तोंगमोइदि ट्रांसमीटर दगी लाइबा सिग्नल सी मा हजकी रिसीविंग एंटीना दुना रिसीव तोबंगंबा मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस मागी रेडियो होराइजन नंबर लेनी अदुगी मफम दु यरोक्त्री फावबा रिसीव तोंगमो हेन नक्सी लें खलो रिसीव तोंगमनी अदुदी ट्रांसमीटर न पिथोरेबा रेडियो होराइजन दुगा ट्रांसमीटर न पिरपा मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस तुगी पॉइंट दो अदुगी पॉइंट दु अदु फावबदा लाकपा सिग्नल लेंगी रिसीवर ने रिसीव तोंगमें खलो अदु रगदे अनि के मरक्थले डिस्टेंस टू कनाग मानगदगेबु अनि दुगी मखुट अनि के असाम वच मानतार प्लस तोक्तार मींस अनि दुगी रेडियो होराइजन अनि दु प्लस तोबितार को d equal to d1 plus d2 d1 d2 are h1 plus 2 are h2 h1 equal to height of h1 and h2 in cellular h1 comma h2 equal to heights of transmitting and receiving antennas. Antenna ने है ईव चंद्र पेजम सिंगे लांजुतर के दौरे को तलहलसी